everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about women should stop using right now. So if you guys want to know about them, please keep on watching. The first product in the list is hair removal cream. So the entire mechanism of a hair removal cream is that you apply the hair removal cream, wait for a few minutes, and in those few minutes that cream actually works by dissolving the roots of the hair so that you can remove off the roots. Now imagine how strong and how many chemicals a hair removal cream might have that it's dissolving right the roots of the hair. The chemicals in this which actually help in dissolving the roots are calcium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. These chemicals are very strong to use on the skin and they can cause irritation, rashes, or if you leave them for a long period of time, it can even burn your skin. That is why whenever you have a close look at those cartons of the hair removal creams, they have one of an instruction mention on it that you should not leave this cream for more than 6 minutes, which clearly means that if you leave it for more than 6 minutes, in fact if you leave it for more than 3 to 4 minutes, you will actually see that you're getting irritation and rashes and burning sensation on your skin, which is why try to avoid using these as much as possible. In fact, I would advise that stop using them completely. One of the most important reasons as to why you should not be using is that the chemicals in these creams are so harsh and they're so strong that when you use them on your intimate areas such as your underarms and stuff, what happens is that the chemicals in those will actually darken the area in such a way that it becomes irreversible. Been there, done that. In fact, every teen at their teenager do it, and then they suffer with dark underarms, and then they keep on doing home remedies which does not happen to work at all. Been there, like I said, been there, done that. Seriously, stop using them because they're very harsh to the skin. Next product is not a gender specific product, but it should be stopped using by everybody, and that is sheet masks. Honestly speaking, these sheet masks, they're sheer waste of money and nothing else. They do give instant effect on the skin, but honestly those effects will last for a day or max 2 days and not more than that. Also, there are no research to be found anywhere which states that these sheet masks are actually better than those well formulated skincare products. These are not only expensive for a one-time use which actually gives no effect except for the instant one-day effect. Except for that, it is complete sheer waste of money, but they are also non-biodegradable, which means that they are harmful for the environment because they cannot be recycled easily. Even if these sheet masks, they're not destroying the planet single-handedly, they generate a lot of waste. Like the plastic or the packaging in which they come, that is made with a blend of aluminium and plastic, which are the two metals that cannot be recycled easily. First thing. Second thing is that the sheet mask that you get, which you apply onto your face, even if the brand claims that it is 100% cotton, there will be plastic particles in it. Because think it for yourself that if it is 100% cotton, if you take a cotton fabric and if you keep it in water for a few days, you will see that the fabric will start to dissolve. So if these are 100% cotton as the brand claims, then they should also ideally start to dissolve, which they do not. So they do have plastic particles in it, which again makes it very difficult to recycle, and that way they stay on the planet for years. If you really want something that actually works on your skin and that you can use multiple times, then go for the well formulated skincare products because you invest them once and you can use them as many times as you want. Next product is actually interlinked with the previous product type, and that is intimate lightening creams and serums. Knee, elbow, neck area तक तो ठीक है. Underarms lightening creams and serums भी चलो ठीक है. But intimate area whitening and lightening creams, I mean seriously, what are these brands thinking and why are consumers purchasing these kind of products? These lightening creams contain bleaching agents, and you need to understand the fact that these bleaching agents or these lightening creams can disturb the pH balance of your intimate area so immensely that it can lead to serious reproductive infections, and those problems can be so immense that it can lead to poisonous effect on the body as well. And the worst part is that a brand that is actually promoting the use of menstrual cups like Sanfe is actually having a product of this kind. These brands are actually going to stop making such products only if you stop buying them. So stop buying them right now. The last product category is skin whitening products, and oh my god guys, please for heaven's sake, stop using skin whitening products, whether you're using it on the intimate area or on your face. Stop using it for God's sake, because not only it is absurd to be using something to change your skin tone, but it can be hazardous for your skin as well. These whitening products contain toxic and life hazardous ingredients like steroids, mercury, lead and other harmful chemicals. These chemicals are so dangerous that they can not only cause skin darkening, acne breakouts, itching, make the skin photosensitive, but they can also cause skin cancer. So respect your skin color and be confident enough to flaunt your skin no matter what skin color you are, because every skin color is beautiful, you guys. So unless you stop using such products, these brands are just not going to stop making them. These Fair and Lovely, which has now turned to Glow and Lovely, but yet I don't have anything to say. You guys know, understand the fact that it is very important to stop using such products because of societal pressure. I mean, who are they to decide what color should we be and what color should we not be of? If you are confident in the way that you look, nobody in the society can put a pressure on you to change the way that you look. And on that note, we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, please share this video with your family and friends, especially in your female family and friends, so that they come to know about all of these products and they stop using it, because it's high time that we understand the fact that we need to stop using all of these products. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.